You've paid good money to a developer and now have a website that looks nice, but doesn't bring you any new leads or business. Why is this happening? You're not answering visitor questions. This is a very common mistake. Your site has likely been built to act as an online brochure of your business and only has information about the product or service you sell. This doesn't work. Here are some specific content ideas to include on your website to help generate new leads. Provide a clear explanation of how your products or services can solve customer problems. Include shipping and technical details. Share examples and case studies that are relevant to your customers. Offer clear purchasing and delivery timelines. And answer frequently asked questions. Give your visitors something valuable in exchange for their contact details. Most prospects at this stage are not likely to click the Contact Us, book a demo, or talk to sales buttons on a website. So why even have them? Instead, try out some of these ideas. Provide full product and technical details. Offer a PDF on the best ways to solve their problems. Share a free tool or calculator. Present a state of the industry report. Does your website take an eternity to load? When people visit your site, they expect it to load fast. How fast? Google's research found that people are 32% more likely to bounce off your site if it takes 3 seconds to load than if it took 1 second. Use Google's free Page Speed Insights tool to get a better view on where your site ranks speed-wise and what you can do to improve. A website should be one of the most impactful and ROI-positive assets that a business owns. If you're looking to get more leads out of your website, ensure it answers visitor questions, offers value in exchange for a user's lead information, and loads quickly.